we can mix three colors and make so many other colors. They are called primary colors. They are red, yellow and blue. Let's mix the colors yellow and blue. Yellow and blue mix together and makes green. Yellow and blue mix together make the color green. Now let's mix yellow and red. Yellow and red mix together make the color orange. Yellow and red mix together make the color orange. Let's now mix red and blue. Red and blue mix together make the color purple. Red and blue mix together make the color purple. Red, blue, yellow, purple, orange, and green. Write to us if you want to get the copy of Kids Activity Workbook. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
See you in the next video.